Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is August and it's Lit August. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a previous watcher, welcome back. As always, I am sending you love and light, and I am back with another reaction for you guys today. And today we'll be reacting to another OHMFLUKE video, a part 2 to the last video we watched, which was a great video. It was a behind the scenes look at their photo book, so it had some amazing things to it. You know, they were at the beach, they had some great views, got to see the ocean, we got to see some abs. I'm just saying, that was a bonus. Anyway, this is like a part 2, and the video we're watching is Bung Long Trip Cho 6-pack Long Route Yacht OHMFLUKE photo book. So they're gonna be on a yacht this time, taking photos for their photo book, which should be great. It's gonna be a whole vibe, I think, with the ocean and a yacht, giving us wealthy fantasy vibes. I'm here for it. Anyway, guys, before I dive into this reaction, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell. Also, follow me on my socials. I will put them in my hands right now. What was I gonna say? I think that's it. Anyway, guys, I will see you on the other side of the opening sequence. Alright, dearies, I'm back with a random accent, my glasses on, and the video up and ready to go. Let's dive into this reaction, shall we? Go. Always looks so good. Oh! I'm already excited. Like, we all know how I feel about them in this household. I love whoever edits OHM's videos, like they get the aesthetic that we love about them. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Giving me, what's it called? Oh my gosh, never mind because my mind went blank. You know what I'm talking about though, you know what show I'm trying to say. We live for the fantasy, honey. Okay, surfer boys. The seashell necklace, the tie-dye shirts, another fantasy we're living for. Watching this just makes me realize how much I miss them at Palm. Like, I need it back now. Like low key, I wish I'd never watched Until We Meet Again, just so I can watch it again and be brand new. I love that show. Gosh, how freaking pretty. But isn't that the same, like, I can't think, but the same beach they went to in that show I can't remember the name of right now? I'm sorry, I have a bad memory, guys. Oh my gosh. It's gonna bother me now. Oh, really? I'd imagine so much like seasickness. Oh gosh. Only when I'm filming, like really, the traffic pick up like this. Oh, how gorgeous. That is not. I was like, I wasn't sure at first. I'm like, is that Pinot? I want to go so bad. Like, how gorgeous. gosh, I remember these shots on Instagram. I about died when I saw them.
ตอนนี้นะครับสำเร็จเป็นที่เรียบร้อยแล้วก็ถ่ายเสร็จแล้วตลอดระยะเวลา 2-3 วันเต็มๆเราก็ถ่ายด้วยความตั้งใจนะตอนนี้ถ่ายเสร็จแล้วอยากให้ทุกคนได้ดูโฟโต้บุ๊กนี้กันเลยครับเราถ่ายกันด้วยใจตบมือกันแล้วเริ่มก่อนครับผมครับเป็นไงบ้างครับเราอยู่ที่สมุยกี่วันนะครับตลอดระยะเวลา 4 วันเต็มๆฮะ4 วัน 3 คืน 3 คืนกี่รูปจำได้ไหมโอ้โหอยากให้นับอยากให้เราติดตามจริงๆใช่
Like Vima's outfits, like giving me like rich husband country club vibes, and I'm all the way here for it.
วันนี้ก็จบลงไปแล้วนะครับผมฝากกดติดตามกด Subscribe และกดกระดิ่งด้วยนะฮะเดี๋ยวเจอกันในคลิปหน้าวันนี้คลิปนี้ขอตัวลาไปก่อนนะครับผมอมทิวัฒน์ครับขอบคุณครับวันนี้ลาไปก่อนรายงานเพียงเท่านี้ครับสวัสดีครับแล้วก็บ๊ายบาย
Oh, take me out at the end. The way they look so good in these shots, like literally when I first saw these shots on Instagram, I literally almost died. I was like, what is happening? I'm like, yes. I'm like, they must be on vacation together because I had no idea that they were doing the photo book shoot. I'm like, oop, they're on vacation. Woo. Even though it wasn't actually like a boyfriend vacation, this is even better. This is still just as good. We live for it. Anyway, guys, that was my reaction to a behind the scenes look at OHMFLUKE's photo book part 2 of them on a yacht this time. The wealth just jumps out. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Before I go, make sure you don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on my socials. Bye, guys. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.